So hello, these are all the tote bags dry. I already opened one. This one is the crumple one. Now I need to wash them all and iron them all so they get straightened up. So this is one. Let's do another one. Revelation. Truly dry. This is the apron. This is the apron. It has like a little spiral. Keep it there. Now another tote bag. Let's see this one. Cool. Another spiral. Crumples. Yeah. Can't really see that well. It's all mashed up, but I will wash them again, let them dry, and iron them so it gets flat and beautiful. So then we can apply the vinyl if I don't want to add any more colors to them. Let's see this one. Like a bullseye effect. And this one is another crumpled one. This one is another spiral. Soft spiral. And we have here purple bullseye. Let's see. So yeah, I'm going to wash all of them and I will show them all finished and iron on. And that's it, guys. I will see you when I have them all done. See ya. Hello guys again. If you made it to the last part of the video, now I'm going to show you how the tote bags turned out. So I let them dry for 72 hours in that shape that they were, and then I washed them and let them dry again and ironed them. So here they are, all the tote bags that I made, and we're going to see them one by one. Just a heads up, I don't know if my iron is not that good, or I don't know how to iron, but it still has some wrinkles. I'm going to iron them again so I can flat them out, because I do want to apply iron on vinyl on them with some designs that I made to make them even more pretty. So yeah, let's take a look at the tote bags and how they turn out. So let me show you the first one. Like this. This one has a really long wing, and this one is the crumple one. Turn out like this, just messes of color everywhere. I really liked how it turned out. I like them all, so but if I'm not happy with the design, I can still go in and put another color or just merge them in color and paint them again. But I like how they turn out like this. This is the handle, and these bags are like have more space because they have this little extra fabric, so they have like more space to them. I really like to use them to go grocery shopping, putting my materials in, my art materials to go somewhere. So yeah, this one green, this one has a small handle, and this one is a spiral one, green spiral. Also turned out really beautiful. I can imagine like making that vinyl of the plant lady here. It would be really cool. So this is another one, and we have another one. This one is the one with the big handles, a slightly different color of green and blue, and it's a spiral also. A spiral. And we have another green. This one is a bullseye design. It has a really long handles or wings, or I don't know what you call them. In Portuguese is alças. As alças do saco. So yeah, this one is a bullseye. You can see back and then back. I really like the bullseye design also. I like them all. Go figure. So I have also we made this one also, big handles again. I'm showing the big handles. And then this one is also bullseye but in purple. Also nice. My favorite. No, my favorite I think is the mix of the two colors. So this one is another one. Also, this one is the crumple one with big handles. Also nice. And this one, as you can see, the fabric ends here. It's just, it doesn't have that extra fabric, so it's not that big. But it's great. But it's nice. This one is the bigger ones, again, big handles, extra fabric, purple, turned out great. And I think with the vinyl that I'm going to apply to them, black or white, they're going to be awesome, really awesome. And last but not least, the apron that I made with the two colors. It turned out great. I'm going to use this on my workspace when I paint, when I do messy stuff, so I don't get stuff all over me. So yeah, so that's it guys. I just shown you all the tie-dye tote bags I made in this tutorial, and they turn out great, and they are not going to, the ink is not going to come out ever because this is really permanent ink. And when I wash them, it doesn't let any ink out. Really good quality inks there. So in the next video I will show you how to make the iron-on vinyl on tote bags like this one, but I'm going to apply them on those beautiful ones that I just dyed. So it's gonna be amazing, and then they are going to be available soon in my shop. So yeah guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. I see you all new subscribers here. I'm so thankful for you guys to be here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.